Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up pre-qualifying on Capital One without hurting your score step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Capital One website. Log into your account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, create one by following the prompts. Once logged in, navigate to the credit card section. Look for the option to pre-qualify for a credit card. Click on the pre-qualification link. You will be prompted to provide some personal information. Fill in your name, address, date of birth, and social security number. Ensure that the information is accurate to avoid any errors. Review the terms and conditions presented. Make sure to read about how this inquiry will not affect your credit score. After reviewing, proceed to the next step. Submit your information by clicking on the appropriate button. Wait a moment for the system to process your request. Once processed, you will receive your pre-qualification results. Review the offers presented carefully. Each offer will come with details about rates and terms. Choose the offer that best suits your financial needs. Proceed with the application if you find a suitable option. Fill out any additional required information for the application. Submit your final application for review. Monitor your email for updates regarding your application status. Remember, pre-qualifying is a smart way to check your options. This process helps you understand your chances without impacting your credit score. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.